आज का टॉपिक HTML बेसिक्स, टैग्स, स्ट्रक्चर एंड लिस्ट। अगर आपने डे 1 नहीं देखा जिसमें टूल सेटअप और वेब इंट्रो था तो पहले वो जरूर देख लेना। आज के बाद आप अपना पहला वेब पेज बिल्ड करना स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। यस, फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स वी विल स्टार्ट टू बिल्ड आवर ओन फर्स्ट वेब पेज। तो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है HTML बेसिक्स, where we include tags, structure and list. So Visual Studio Code पे हमने फर्स्ट वीडियो में जो था डे 1 डेवलपमेंट सेटअप, उसमें VS Code में हमने जो है लाइव सर्वर सेटअप किया था और अब हम उसी के थ्रू देखने वाले हैं कि HTML वेबसाइट या HTML पे हम वेब पेज को कैसे डिज़ाइन करना है। इससे पहले हमको देखना होगा, हमको सीखना होगा कि HTML में स्ट्रक्चर्स क्या क्या होते हैं, क्या टैग्स होते हैं, कैसे लिस्ट बनती है, हाउ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पेज विल बी रेडी। तो आज का टॉपिक हमारा वही है और आज हम कैसे HTML स्ट्रक्चर बनता है वो सीखने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स मूव, बात करते हैं HTML की। यस, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ HTML? हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज। ये एक मार्कअप लैंग्वेज है जो वेब पेजेस का स्ट्रक्चर बनाती है। इट इज सिंपली यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ वेब पेजेस। HTML is standard markup language for creating web pages. It provides a structure, as I already told you. Next is tag based markup. Yes, HTML is totally works on the basis of tags and elements. Tag is basically used to define elements here. Like here you can see p tag means paragraph tag is written over here and it displays hello world. So let's go to our file index.html which was created in day 1. So now we move to there. So here today is day 2 and we are going to discuss first tag, that is p, paragraph tag. P tag is for paragraph, so here we will use it as printing hello world. And firstly, to start it, please active your live server also. You can see the option of live here. Like here it is activated already, so it is showing code 5500. So it is already running. So I will save here and you will see the output. Now it is visible. So hello world is visible here. This is a complete output here, which you can see. So, what are the tags we have? We have paragraph tag, we have heading tag, we have div tag, we have span tag, we have first is HTML tag. HTML tag, head tag, body tag, like that. So we will be discussing what the syntax of HTML tags. Syntax is first tag name, then content, and then close the tag. Opening and closing tags. But some tags which are self-closing tags like image tag. Image tag is self-closing tag. We don't need to use another tag to close. And like that, the BR tag, HR tag, these all are self-closing tags. They are common examples: P tag, H1 tag. H1 is for studying bold, super heading. It is H1 tag. B for bold and I for italic. Instead of B tag, we can also use strong tag as well. So we will be discussing here in detail. So firstly, we need to know what is the structure of the page. So it starts with block type HTML. HTML text defines that HTML page. Then head, where this to metadata and title. Metadata is basically for SEO things like the description and all. And here is the title of the page. Then head title to code. And when we go to CSS, then we will discuss in detail that how external CSS can be attached. So it is also used in head tag. Body means what is the content of a web page will show, that all will contains the body tag, like here hello world, what we displayed earlier. So it is showing that. So So just go to VS Code, and here you can see that doc type HTML, then head tag, then title is J2, and then have tools, then body, then hello world. So it is all about here. So let's go to H1 tag first. We will discuss here H1 tag. H1 is main heading. Main heading will be day 2. HTML basics. Here in H1 we are writing day 2 HTML basics. Now we are going to H2 heading 2, where we are going to write languages. I am learning. So here it is H2, that is languages I am learning. So now we are moving with this to list. In HTML basically we have two types of lists, like ordered list and unordered list. So let's discuss in detail what the list is. And here you can see p tag, where we already written hello world. So let's discuss what are ordered list and what are unordered list. So unordered and ordered list we have. Unordered list with a keyword tag, and list with items are defined with li tag. All the items will be included in the list will be defined with li tag. There is no particular order for unordered list because it is unordered. Ordered list is using ol tag, that the list items are defined with li tag as same as in unordered list, but the difference is it is ordered in a particular serial, whereas in unordered list there is no serial. So items are numbered in ordered list, and in unordered list there is no number. So we will doing it, we will showcase it. So let's go to VS Code and do the code. Yeah. So it's time to code, time to design. So we are creating a UL list, UL li, like here we have written first item HTML. Next is in second li tag, that is CSS object second. It is CSS. And third is JavaScript. So LUI next. So we'll use JavaScript. So here we are ready with our unordered list. So let's check what is the output of our code. So here you can see it is showing something. It is too much shown, so we will fix it first. %. Now you can see H1 tag have more font than in comparison to H2. Similarly, H3 is lesser in size of font with H2. So we have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So here you can see that there is H1 tag, which displays day 2 HTML basics, and H2 is displaying languages I am learning, and here paragraph tag, which displays hello world. And this is our unordered list, which we created just HTML, CSS, JavaScript are the items of this list. So let's move to ordered list. So let's create for ordered list what we need. UL tag, yes. So UL tag, yeah. And what will be the item? For item we will use li. So in li is for listing items. So in ordered list, what we can write? What should we write? Yeah. So in ordered list, just write steps like install VS Code. So here we are creating our ordered list, where first item is installing VS Code. Install VS Code. Next is li. Item 2, setup folder. and the third will be write code. So here our third item in the ordered list is write code. So just complete our order list and see the output. So finally just save it and check the output. So I think it is maybe not saved, so save it properly, Control S. And now we are checking our output now. Yeah, it's refreshing. And here it is our ordered list numbered with 1, 2, 3. The first is install VS Code, second is setup folder, and third is write HTML. So here it is what we learn: ordered and unordered list, where ordered list have numbers and unordered doesn't have any number. So this is what unordered list and ordered list. So let's discuss next, that is practice task. You have to do practice. It is a practice task. You have to create HTML page where you have to use h1 h2 tag, paragraph tag, ordered list you have to create, unordered list you have to create, and where you also have to design it properly. You have to structure it properly. So these are more tags. A tag means anchor tag, image tag, div and span tag, which we will discuss with CSS. So here we will discuss with strong tag. Strong means can be used with B tag, that is bold tag as well. So here we are going to discuss strong tag and EM tag as well. Something good. EM tag we will discuss with CSS. We will learn it with CSS. Like you are writing and you want to show it. So for that we use code or pre. Design to showcase what code is. So let's do this also, and we will discuss div, span, EM tag will detail with the CSS. So let's discuss anchor tag, image tag, strong tag, code and pre tag. So move with anchor tag now. So what we are saying, we will going to know what will the work of anchor tag. So just create a line of code, anchor a href means hyperlink reference. रेफरेंस पे हमने दे दिया https://InternDesire.com. So here we are writing InternDesire.com. We are redirecting here. So here I am writing visit InternDesire. So what it will do? It will redirect us with less. Just save it and see the output. Here you can see the link of visit InternDesire as a text. So just click it, and now we are redirecting it to the InternDesire main website, that is InternDesire.com. So here you can see by the use of anchor tag, we just redirect here. So this is the work of anchor tag. So now you learn what is the work of anchor tag. So let's discuss about image tag. Image tag is a self-closing tag, so we don't need to create separate closing tag for this. So just image src. src means source from where we are taking image, जहाँ से हम image ले रहे हैं. So हम image जो ले रहे हैं वो dbu के फोल्डर से लेंगे. So dbu image है जिसके फोल्डर में से हम इमेज पिक कर रहे हैं. हम URL भी पुट कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे, और आप किसी भी फोल्डर से इमेज को डाल सकते हैं. So we are taking image from dbu folder. So let's see the output from image src tag. Just save it and check the output what we are doing. So here you can see the on the screen the logo image of dbu has been showing here. So it is what the use of src tag. So here what we learn, how to use image tag and how to add images in our web page, that is image src tag. Next is bold tag, that is B tag or strong tag. So here I am writing that I am Sajal, where my name Sajal will be in strong, then strong tag. that will make my name bold. So here I write I am Sajal, and Sajal is in strong tag, and rest of the sentence in paragraph tag. So let's save and see the output. Wait, just save it and now refresh it. We don't need to refresh, we auto refresh, no issue. Yeah, now you can see it is I am Sajal, where Sajal is in strong, means Sajal is bolded because we use strong tag. So if we need anything to be bold in our web page, so we can use B tag or either strong tag to make it bold. So now you can see it more clearly. So let's move with another tag, means code tag or pre tag, when we have to show the code in our website or any code snippet as it is. So we can use code tag or pre tag. So here I am using code tag and printing a code that is of Python, that is print. InternDesire is a learning platform. So we are printing it and it is a Python code. So we are going to showcase that code snippet in our web page. So for that we are using code tag. So just write it and save it, and now we are going to see what's the output of this. So let it be refreshed. Yes, now you can see print InternDesire is a learning platform, and it is showcasing in a code font, like how when we write codes, and it is visible like that. So this is how we can write code. So what we learn is that. That will be covering in day 3 with more HTML tags. So what we learned today is what is HTML basic tags like heading tag, paragraph tag, anchor tag, types of hashtag, priority queue, why H1 is better. So H1 is much better because it helps in SEO. The paragraph tag, types of list, ordered and unordered list, how they are created, what is image tag, what is how to display code. So for that we use code tag and pre tag. So this is what we learned today. So get ready to dive into effective HTML elements, learn how to create forms for user input and tables. So we will be going to design HTML form and table in day 2. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.